Thanks for joining again. This is Adam Novick, Vice President of Business Development with Planet Data. And in this video, I'm going to give a quick overview of one of the very first reports that I usually recommend our clients take a look at, which is our data analysis report. Again, as a point of reference, I am currently working in an Enron demo database with approximately 850,000 records. So to get to our data analysis report, I'm going to come right into our reports tab right here and just click on the very first one, which is our data analysis report. Data analysis report is essentially going to give us an overview quickly of where all the documents within this database fall. So as you would expect on an Enron data set, we're looking late 90s to early 2000s. If I want to take a closer look at perhaps the 78,000 documents that it's telling me are coming from the year 2002, I simply click on the year that I want to take a more granular view of, and as you can see here, it's going to bring you into a monthly breakdown of that particular year. If I'm a member of the case team and I'm looking at this report, I probably have a couple of follow-up questions and red flags that I might want to circle back on. Seems that we have some pretty big gaps here in August, October, and December, and that could be related to a variety of issues. Possibly we haven't received all the data in yet for processing. Another possibility possibly would be corrupt PSTs from some individual custodians. Again, number of different reasons that we might have some of these inconsistencies show up. Point being, it's going to bring that to your attention very early on so that prior to diving into the data set and starting to employ your search methodology, you can simply validate that, yes, we do in fact have all of the data in the database that we expected to start with. Another way that you can use this report is potentially if there's a key custodian that you want to get a better look at, I can toggle over to my custodian view, select a very key custodian, and it's going to show me how that custodian's documents break out maybe across the year 2002, as that's what I was currently looking at. And you can see here that Dasovich has a pretty big spike in November, leading you to believe that something potentially relevant might have been happening around that time frame. Any of these reports, whether you're looking at the years, the months, the custodians, can very simply be exported out to PDF, CSV, or Excel, or printed based upon your need. Again, very simple and easy to do, and I think it's a good validation tool before you start searching and culling any of the data that essentially gives you that extra level of confidence to say, all right, we have everything in the database that we expected to receive. Let's dive in and start seeing what we have in here. That's all for the data analysis report overview, and hope I get to explain some of our additional features in a future video. Thanks again.